IDAI Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. P-Stamp stock sitting at 85 cents and it is 26% down. So just being observant of this, just observing it, thing has been putting in some crazy good numbers. And for context, I've done 33,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and have documented everything. But yeah, with IDAI, my last bias on this was quite bullish and that did deliver. And I'm just going to I'm actually going to keep this on the chart. Why not? This was my bullish bias. I mean, calling out that it's still my bullish bias. I'll remove it. And yeah, I mean, in theory, all we did, we just came back inside this demand area, we tapped it. And the only thing that's between me buying and not buying is the price pulling down and then giving me a double break. That's about all there is to it. I mean, other than that, I really would not care. So that's how IDAI looks like. So I'll do this confirmation. In the meantime, I'll just wait for my rules to be met. And if I don't see my rules met, then I'll just not buy. Even like a 15-minute shift. That's about it. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and clean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.